Okay, friends, today we have to discuss new important topic in applied thermodynamics, that is IC engine, internal combustion engine. In this topic we come across with some important topics regarding IC engine: classification, combustion in IC engine, some important concepts like detonation and knocking, and also we discuss IC engine performance analysis test and fuels used in IC engine. Initially, we have to start with engine definition. An engine or a motor is a machine designed to convert one form of energy into mechanical energy. It means what? An engine is a device which will be convert one form of energy into another form of energy. Here in engine, the fuel will be get ignited and that heat that will be converted into mechanical work. It means what? Heat energy will be converted into mechanical energy. Basically, engines will be classified into two categories. First one, IC engine, internal combustion engine. Second one, EC engine, external combustion engine. IC engine is an engine in which combustion takes place inside the cylinder. EC engine, external combustion engine, is an engine where combustion takes place outside the cylinder. Classification of IC engines. Classification of IC engines. Based on various factors, the engines will be classified into various categories. The first one, working on cycle, whether the engine will be works on 2-stroke cycle or 4-stroke cycle. It will be classified as a 4-stroke engine, 2-stroke engine. So whatever you seeing nowadays automotives, so these will be working on 2-stroke or 4-stroke engines. Second one, based on type of fuel, which kind of fuels will be used in the engine. Depending upon that, the engines IC engine will be classified as petrol engine, diesel engine, gas engine. Third one, depending upon thermodynamic cycle, which kind of cycle will be used, whether it will be Otto cycle, diesel cycle or dual cycle. Depending upon these three, the engines will be once again selected. It means depending upon the thermodynamic cycle, the engines will be classified as Otto cycle engine, diesel cycle engine, dual cycle engine. Okay. Next, fourth, depending upon the speed, at which speed the engine will be operating, depending upon that, they will be classified as low speed engine up to 500 rpm, high speed engine up to 1000 rpm, high speed engine that will be above 1000 rpm. It means what? We can classify it as a low speed engine with up to 500 rpm, high speed engine up to 1000 rpm, and another kind that is a high speed engine where the speed is above 1000 rpm. Okay. Next classification is method of cooling. How the cooling will be done? Depending upon that, the engine will be classified as air cooled engine and water cooled engine. So these will be having air cooled jackets and water cooled jackets. Okay. Next, applications of IC engine. Where this IC engine will be applied, depending upon that, this will be classified as stationary engine, marine engine, automobile engine, motorcycle engine, aero engine, locomotive engine. It means what? These all the engines, they will be showing some fields. Depending upon those fields, the IC engine will be applied. Okay. Next, method of ignition. How the ignition will be taking place. Depending upon that, engines will be classified as a SI engine, CI engine. SI engine means spark ignition engine. CI engine means compression ignition engine. And the last one is arrangement of the engine cylinder. How the engine cylinders will be get arranged, in which direction, in what way they will be get arranged. Depending upon that, these engines will be classified as horizontal engine, vertical engine, V engine, inline engine, radial engine, opposed cylinder engine. So these are the important topics regarding IC engines, classifications of IC engines.